In a jaw-breaking talk, ZANU-PF leader Emmerson Mnangagwa has publicly announced his said direct descent from the revered Ndebele king Mzilikazi, marking a significant moment in Zimbabwe's rich historical narrative. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Speaking on his profound family connections, President Mnangagwa disclosed that his great-grandfather was an adopted son of King Mzilikazi, weaving a captivating tale of heritage, identity, and historical unity. Detailing the intricate ties between his ancestry and the Ndebele royalty, Mnangagwa narrated, "Well, the background is that when King Luvengula settled here, he made a treaty arrangement with Chief Chivi, my great-grandfather, that there shall not be any war between Chivi's people and Mzilikazi. Now in doing that, Mzilikazi asked for a young child from Chief Chivi, who was brought here in the house of King Mzilikazi as a little boy. That was my great-grandfather, Luvengo. King Mzilikazi then changed the name of my great-grandfather, Mapanzure, to Luvengo, a Ndebele name. So he grew up here, and after King Mzilikazi died, King Luvengula also adopted my great-grandfather as Luvengo, not Mnangagwa. He grew up here, losing his Shona language." This is today's news about Mnangagwa saying he's King Mzilikazi's grandson. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.